Hi guys, good morning. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. I'm Jan from Bigmera. I just woke up. Klaro man. Joke lang. So I just woke up, naligo na ko, and then I don't know na sa akong buhaton, but I'm taking it with me throughout my whole day para makita ninyo sa akong ginagawa whole day. Delayed na din akong performance task. Okay? Busy ko. I mean, delayed na siya valid na reason, but yes, busy ko previous month, no? Is we had, I know March, we had our foundation week and naagit ko gibuhat guys kay officer ko. And after ato guys, I mean during that time dili ko ka-film guys kay sa eskwelahan mo halas kapayo guys. Gabgasi ko tulog balay sa akong classmate guys. So yung tulog sa ilang balay. Di pagkaugma sa eskwelahan, tapos another subject na. Tapos pagkaman dayon, this week CSJ election supposed to be mag-video na ako. However, one of my friends invited me na mag-Lego daw sa pa. So ano ko, lah, nice, dara na ako mag-video para it's anak yun. Gabot dadtog guys, naguba akong cellphone. So, bato siya guys, nagba akong phone, delete na kayo akong performance task, but here I am now filming, so hi everyone, sakot tagin ko. Hi guys, I am Jan Kirby Gumera, I am a civil engineering student, and today, I'm taking you with me throughout my whole day. So, today no, is Sunday, wala tay class, so narata karon sa balay, and I don't know what to do, honestly, but gaban lang sa ako throughout the whole day. So, among lesson is to lessen our carbon footprint. So, for me, no, grabe mong gitiyo ka, preservative additives. sorry. So, karon guys, manakog liko, manakog tulog. So, karon guys, wala gitiyo ko buhaton karon. Supposed to be, mag-study ko, kay examit na siya, one way na siya sa pag-lesson sa atong carbon footprint. Kaya ko man ta nag-study, but, okay, ginabuhat na, wala pa na ako nabuhat today. Except sa magkaon, ug magluto, ug mag-limpyo sa balay. Ang mag-flower sa mga tanom. So, let's go!
Diyos ko, init na jud kayo. Nya, bansok pa na ko na dira. Okay, wait guys. Mani ako mga tanom guys. Napa. And there. 9 trees. Ako sana ayun. Guys, ako ra may gapuyo dari. So palongon nato ang mga nakapansak and gaandar na mga appliances kay wala man sila gigamit na. So guys, I already warmed up na, and it's very important na to jog, especially if wala kay buhat, to keep your body active. And it's another way of lessening our carbon footprints kay wala ta nag cellphone. We are outside touching some grass. Let's go.
After filming this vlog guys, I've realized na nowadays we really rely on machines and stuff na produce og carbon, emit og carbon dioxide, and we cannot prevent doing it. So ato na lang buhaton is to use them responsibly. Okay, in order for us to catch up sa unsay gakahitabo sa world, we really have to use the things na atong ginagamit karon, which is somehow harmful sa atong environment. And ang activity na nalinga ko for today is ang mag-plant. Grabe ra kay kapas ay mag-water sa flowers, ang mag-flowering. Grabe ra kay siya ka dali tanawon kay naka time lapse. However, it was very init and it was a routine naman nako to. And lastly, ang smaller na to mga actions, may impact na siya dako sa to planet because everything starts initially, no? So mag-start yun na siya sa pinakauna, sa pinakagamay atod sa pinakadako. Kay if ang kanang gamay natong ginabuhat, if ang tanan gabuhat ana na gamay, madako siya. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much.